Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing a stable base. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and install every pending update to avoid compatibility hiccups. Next, check System about to confirm TPM2. Zero and Secure Boot, these are required for full feature support. Sign in with your Microsoft account, then enable Windows Hello and OneDrive so settings sync across devices. Finally, make a restore point and turn on file history or set an external backup. Once done, you have a recoverable foundation. Now you optimize how you work. Arrange windows with snap layouts and memorize Win plus left/right to snap quickly. This saves constant resizing. Create distinct virtual desktops for focused tasks. Use Control plus Win plus left/right and name them so you don't lose context. Turn on File Explorer tabs and reorganize quick settings so frequent controls are one click away. If you want power features like fancy zones or keyboard remaps, install Microsoft Power Toys. Doing these steps reduces friction and keeps you moving faster throughout the day. Finish by locking down performance and safety. Enable BitLocker or device encryption and back up your recovery key to OneDrive or an external drive. This protects your data if the device is lost. Uninstall unwanted apps, run disk cleanup, and enable Storage Sense to reclaim space. Also disable unnecessary startup items in Task Manager for faster boots. Create a USB recovery drive and schedule regular backups. If something goes wrong, first boot into safe mode and run System Restore, or your recovery drive to revert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.